Something big is stirring in the skies, and if the rumors swirling around the drone community are to be believed, DJI is about to completely rewrite the rulebook with its next-generation FPV marvel, the DJI Avata 3. Leaks surfacing from Chinese social media platforms have given us an early taste of what's coming, and it's safe to say that this drone looks nothing like anything we've seen before from DJI. The bulky, protective orange bumpers of the Avata 2 are nowhere to be found. The rounded, almost toe-like shell is gone. In its place stands a sleeker, sharper, and more aerodynamic design that screams performance and precision. It's leaner, it's meaner, and it looks like a machine built for pure flight adrenaline, faster, more agile, and ready to capture cinematic perfection. But the Avata 3 isn't just a visual upgrade. It seems DJI has gone back to the drawing board and re-engineered the very soul of the drone. The battery has reportedly been repositioned toward the rear, a subtle yet crucial change that balances the drone better in the air. This redesign opens up the front section for what's perhaps the most exciting improvement, a completely new camera system that could be the biggest leap yet in FPV image quality. Leaks suggest the Avata 3 will sport a full 1-inch CMOS sensor, a massive step up from the Avata 2's 1.3-inch sensor. This isn't just a technical tweak, it's a transformation. A larger sensor means deeper dynamic range, richer color science, and dramatically better performance in low light. Picture flying through dense forest trails at sunset or weaving between skyscrapers under the glow of city lights. Your footage won't just look sharp, it'll feel alive, cinematic, and immersive. If DJI stays true to its usual product cycle, we won't have to wait long to see this beauty in action. Industry watchers believe the official launch could happen sometime between November 2025 and January 2026. The price tag, while still unconfirmed, is expected to land in the premium range somewhere around $1,400 to $1,600 for the standard kit. It's not exactly budget-friendly, but given DJI's track record, it's easy to imagine that the performance and feature set will more than justify the cost for serious FPV pilots and content creators alike. One of the most exciting whispers is the potential for dramatically improved flight endurance. The Avata 3 is rumored to deliver up to 30 minutes of flight time, a big leap from the Avata 2's 23-minute ceiling. That may not sound earth-shattering on paper, but for FPV pilots, every extra minute in the air means more creativity, more experimentation, and more breathtaking shots. This newfound efficiency seems to be thanks to a combination of improved aerodynamics, redesigned motors, and a smarter power management system that ensures maximum output with minimal drain. The result could be a drone that doesn't just fly longer, it flies smoother, faster, and more confidently than anything DJI has released before. Then there's the stabilization system. DJI may finally be breaking its long-standing FPV tradition by introducing a mechanical gimbal potentially paired with enhanced RockSteady and horizon-steady digital stabilization. If that's true, it would be a game-changer. FPV drones are known for their raw, immersive footage, but sometimes that comes at the cost of smoothness. A hybrid mechanical-digital stabilization setup could give pilots the best of both worlds, a thrill of real FPV movement with footage so smooth it feels like it's gliding on rails. Imagine capturing a wild mountain dive or a high-speed chase through tight spaces without the usual jitter or vibration. This could make the Avata 3 a dream machine not only for thrill seekers but also for filmmakers who crave cinematic motion without sacrificing the FPV feel. Safety and intelligence are reportedly getting massive upgrades too. And like the Avata 2, which had limited forward and downward sensors, the Avata 3 is expected to feature full 360-degree obstacle avoidance. That's a monumental leap forward. For beginners, it means more confidence and less fear of crashing. For pros, it means the freedom to push creative boundaries, flying tighter gaps, closer to objects, and through more complex environments with intelligent assistants watching your back. On top of that, DJI is rumored to be integrating AI-assisted flight modes, allowing the drone to perform advanced movements autonomously or with minimal pilot input. Pair that with an upgraded RC Motion 3 controller and the sleek new DJI Goggles 3, and you're not just piloting a drone anymore. You're stepping into a fully immersive flying experience that blurs the line between human and machine. If all these leaks hold true, the DJI Avata 3 could easily become the gold standard in FPV drone filmmaking, a machine that lets creators fly further, shoot cleaner, and experience the sky like never before. But just as the drone world buzzes with excitement, DJI seems to be preparing another revolution, this time for creators on the ground. The whispers about a new pocket camera are growing louder, and if they're true, the DJI Pocket 4 might just redefine handheld filmmaking altogether. It's hard to believe it's already time for another Pocket release. It feels like the Pocket 3 just arrived. But here we are again, and the rumors suggest DJI is taking things to an entirely new level. The Pocket 4 could be the most advanced handheld gimbal camera DJI has ever built. At the same time, GoPro is making a surprising return to the stabilizer game with its new Fluid AI gimbal, a bold move after nearly a decade away from that market. The Fluid AI reportedly supports GoPro cameras, smartphones, and compact cameras under 400 grams, offering features like intelligent AI tracking, a built-in light, and an incredible 18-hour battery life. Set to launch on October 21st for $229.99, it's clearly designed to challenge DJI's dominance and shake up the vlogging and content creation scene. As for DJI's answer, the Pocket 4, insiders say it's far more than a routine refresh. DJI appears to be reinventing its Pocket series from the inside out. The biggest rumor making waves is a dual camera system, a first for any handheld gimbal camera. The main sensor reportedly keeps the beloved 1-inch CMOS size from the Pocket 3 but promises improved color reproduction, better low-light performance, and enhanced detail. The secondary lens, on the other hand, could either be a telephoto or an ultra-wide. This alone changes everything. A telephoto lens would allow for true optical zoom, giving creators that professional cinematic compression look that's usually reserved for larger rigs. An ultra-wide option, meanwhile, would let vloggers capture immersive travel shots, sweeping landscapes, or dynamic action scenes with ease. Adding even more intrigue is the potential for Hasselblad color tuning, the same technology that gives DJI's Mavic drones their gorgeous, film-like tones and lifelike skin color rendering. If the Pocket 4 inherits that DNA, it could bring professional-grade color science into the palm of your hand. Combine that with the rumored capability to shoot 8,000 video at 30 frames per second, 4,000 at 120 FPS, and even 4K at 240 FPS, and you're looking at a truly pocket-sized. DJI is also expected to include 10-bit D-Log and color, improved noise reduction, and a new image processor for faster, more detailed captures. This could finally make the Pocket 4 not just a creator's tool, but a legitimate filmmaking companion. The camera's AI capabilities are also set to evolve dramatically. The rumored Active Attract 7.00 system will reportedly offer faster, more precise subject tracking with better face detection and smoother gimbal transitions. Whether you're jogging, dancing, or chasing your pet, the Pocket 4 could track you seamlessly with cinematic fluidity, as if you had a personal cameraman following your every move. That means no more missed moments or clumsy reframes, just pure, professional quality footage every time. To make filming even more intuitive, the Pocket 4 is said to feature a 2.5-inch rotatable OLED screen, finally allowing creators to flip and frame their shots perfectly from any angle. The device may also pack a larger battery for extended shooting sessions, improved heat dissipation for 8,000 recording, and even IP67 dust and water resistance. These upgrades hint at a more rugged design, built to handle real-world adventures and long production days. DJI has also reportedly refined the grip texture for added comfort, making handheld operation smoother and more ergonomic. Connectivity is getting a serious boost too. Expect the latest Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 standards for faster transfers and more stable wireless connections. The updated DJI Mimo app is rumored to include new smart editing tools, auto-framing for solo creators, and perhaps even AI-driven story templates, making it easier than ever to edit and share professional-looking videos directly from your phone. Pricing for the Pocket 4 is expected to fall between $599 and $699, depending on the lens configuration, which sounds surprisingly reasonable considering the powerhouse capabilities it's packing. Of course, DJI won't have the stage all to itself for long. Reports suggest Oppo and Vivo are already working on their own pocket-style gimbal cameras for 2026, which could spark a whole new wave of innovation and competition in the creator tech world. But for now, DJI seems poised to once again set the bar for what's possible in both the air and the palm of your hand. If all these rumors come to life, the DJI Avata 3 and DJI Pocket 4 could mark a new era for creators, one where the boundary between professional filmmaking and personal creativity completely disappears. From soaring through the clouds to capturing life's moments from the ground, DJI might just be about to deliver to machines that redefine what it means to create. The next generation of flight and film is almost here, and it's looking nothing short of revolutionary.